Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news is North Korean cargo ship Adrift, abandoned, in Japan waters update. Chongbong issued distress signal at around 2300 Tokyo time May 21, reporting massive water ingress and evacuation. All 21 crew went into lifeboat, and understood, were later rescued by North Korean tanker YUJONG-2. As of 0720 UTC May 22, tanker was sailing away from Chongbong, while distressed ship's ice was missing for some 3 hours since last position. It was mentioned that the ship has probably sank, but it's not confirmed yet. North Korean general cargo ship Chongbong is reported abandoned and adrift in Japan Sea 27 nanometers north of Okinoshima Island, Oki Archipelago, Japan. The ship was disabled and went drifting in the afternoon May 21, character of trouble unknown. As of 0440 UTC May 22, ship's ice was on, she was still drifting. North Korean tanker YUJONG-2 EMO 8,604,917 approached Chongbong at around 0430 UTC May 22, apparently with YHE purpose of salvage. General cargo ship Chongbong, EMO 8,909,575, DWT 6,839, built 1989, flag North Korea, owner CHONGBONG Shipping, Pyongyang. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, thank you.